We are investing in basic applied research and working to create the incentives to build a new clean energy economy. For we know the nation that leads in clean energy will be the nation that leads the world. I want America to be that nation.
Clean energy, a big part of President Obama's agenda. With us now, the heads of two small businesses that are at the cutting edge of the green tech movement. Dean Marks is one of them. He's the CEO of Premier Power Renewable Energy. And Balwinder Samra is the president of Balqon. Welcome to both of you. Dean, let me begin with you. We've heard an awful lot this week from the president about help for small businesses like yours in the form of eliminating capital gains taxes. And the president's words just there that the future of the American economy is in clean energy. How much does that government thrust help your company?
Oh, we feel that solar energy is kind of the white hat of the renewables. It's very flexible and dependable. It's considered to be distributed generation, or DG, where you could install solar at the load or where the power is needed. So, we're able to utilize and develop large systems on rooftops, parking structures. So we need to create more jobs for engineers, installers, people who do site surveys.
So specifically to my question, which was the president's call for reducing capital gains tax for small businesses like yours, and increased expensing potential there. You favor that, I would take?
Yes, we do. I think right now there's a patchwork of federal credits in the U.S., state incentives, local rebates, that we have a kind of a hodgepodge of all these incentives. Mm-hmm. The U.S. needs to take a closer look at the European model, which is a feed-in tariff. And this will allow us to take these rebates and centralize them more to create more jobs in the U.S.
Mr. Samra, what's your assessment? What the government's thrust when it comes to renewable energy and small businesses? Do you like the recent measures, and do they help you in what way?
Well, we think the measure that would really help us is accelerated depreciation schedule like the UK just recently adopted on electric vehicles. That would certainly grow our business significantly, but we also very encouraged with what's going on in Copenhagen with reduction of emissions by 18%. That certainly makes electric vehicles a very viable alternative in U.S. and export markets. So those are the two policies.
One of the issues about people being able to buy the vehicles that you are producing is the lack of credit accessibility. Are you having any issues with people who perhaps do want your vehicles but don't have access to credit?
Fortunately, our target market includes Fortune 100 companies who do have access to. We target major fleet users. We're a B2B model, which are looking at large fleet-sized companies, because we're in the heavy-duty electric vehicle market, so credit is not a problem on our side. We are, however, seeking subsidies mainly to offset the acquisition cost premium that the electric vehicle
Very quickly, Mr. Samra, and back to you also, Dean. Do you favor cap-and-trade legislation you think would help the country and your company? Mr. Balwinder first.
Well, there are two options out there, cap-and-trade and carbon credits. So we favor carbon credits because we think it's easier to implement, faster to implement into the markets, and that would certainly help us.
Dean Marks, quick answer.
Yes, we also favor the renewable energy credits. They seem to be working in New Jersey and the Northeast, and they need to be spread out throughout the whole United States.
All right, gentlemen, thank you very much.